Hey everybody, and welcome to the video. Now, most of you guys requested that I do a design tutorial on this concept, how I made my name with the shadow effect, right? So in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step methods I used to achieve this concept. Now the first thing we need to do is we are going to launch into our working tool called the Pixellab app. You are expected to have downloaded this app on your phone. Now real quick, I'm going to launch into the app, and this is like the default setting. This is like a default arrangement of the app, right? So the first thing we need to do is, where you have new text, we are going to tap on A, and once you tap on A, you click on edit. Now I'm going to do, my concept is going to really, the word I'm going to use is PWG, right? Profit with graphics. But I'm not going to use all the words, I'm just going to use the P, the first letter. So I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to increase the size, and I'm going to choose a font. So for now, you guys are going to have just the default font, but once you attend my masterclass, I'm going to teach you how to actually install fonts to your Pixellab. That means to store the font of your choosing into your Pixellab. So in my own fonts, my own file of fonts, I'm going to go with Eastman Trial. So with the P, I have that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to centralize it using relative position. So click on relative position, and you click on this second button down. If that is okay, you accept, and you go where you have color, and you click on a gradient. Now after you click on gradient, click on the plus sign, and you now click okay. Under gradient simply is a part of, should I say a part, like when you bring two colors together, right, it forms a gradient. Two colors, or three, or four, or five, or six, it forms a gradient. Now in this little tutorial, I'm just going to work with two colors joined together, that's black and white, right? So with this default setting of gradient, just simply click on these buttons up here. You see it shows you different ways you can be able to position your gradient. So right now I want to work with a first, and I'm not satisfied working with this, only this. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. So I'm going to send this black color this way and the white this way. So by doing that, I just click on this, drag to the middle, I click on this, send to the end, and I drag this to the end as well. So the next thing we need to do is I'm going to shift this a little bit from that end, not touching but close to the end. And for this black, this is not really black, kind of like gray, but I'm going to make it to be really black. So I click on this and I drag this to the end, this second part, drag it to the end, and that is okay. Click on OK, and now the final idea is just copy and paste, copy and paste. So you come here and you click on copy, and you make sure it is centralized using relative position, and you edit the text to W. So we have to delete P, make sure it's capitalized, and that is good. Now we'll send this closer to the P but not touching P. Now click on the W, copy it, and edit the text to G. So use relative positions to make it to be aligned perfectly. We are not done. The final step is to change the background. So you already know we have to change the background to black. So here's how you do it. You click on this fourth icon and you click on color. You click on color again and you go where you have the black color and you just click on it. Voila, you have your shadow effect done. And that is all for this tutorial. That's the entire concept. How you can download this to your mobile phone is just clicking up here and you click on save image. Now you go on where you have dimensions, you click on ultra and you save to your gallery. That is it. So it's quite easy, but if you're having problems with doing it, you can still replay the video and learn again. Most importantly, you practice, and you become perfect at it. So that's all for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.